Okay, so today we're going to be changing the wheel hub assembly and rotor, because I already did the brakes, on a 2007 Lincoln Navigator. Been experiencing some issues lately with rubbing and grinding in the front, so we'll take care of that today. Hopefully that's the problem. I'm only doing the one side. Hopefully this is the side that's all screwed up. So first things first, we'll remove the wheel. Now, I'm not going to waste your time with showing you how to get the wheel off. If you can't take a wheel off, I don't think you should do the wheel bearing. So after you get the wheel off, here's what you're looking at here. This rotor doesn't seem too bad, actually. I'm gonna change it anyways. But anyways, you gotta take the brake caliper off. And then there's 4 bolts here. I don't know if you can see that. That will get off. And then start pulling it off. Oh, and also the one nut in here. So we'll do a play-by-play of it once I get all the tools out. Alright, first thing we're doing, we're gonna loosen off the caliper. That's not gonna work. Need an extension on there. Maybe. That's in there. So we're gonna take the caliper off. 18mm socket. And of course everything's getting in the way here. There we go. Got that loosened off. And then we'll do the bottom one, and then we'll throw the drill on it. Get it off even quicker. Probably a couple more drill. There we go. Because I lose everything, I'm gonna put them right beside the camera. Once the caliper's off, it should just come off like that. Kind of put it up out of the way. You know, if you're doing this kind of job, I'm not going to tell you that it's important to make sure you don't put too much pressure on that brake line. Snap that, then you're doing a whole bunch of bullshit. Now, of course, this rotor, it's kind of... Yeah, fuck it, we'll change it. I think it'll pop off just hitting with the hammer a couple times. There it comes. There it goes. I don't know if this rotor is shit or not, but I have a new one. The other one on the other side, threw it out, was totally garbage. This one has a bunch of gouges out of it, so yeah, we'll change her out, whatever. Now that you got that off though, I'm going to start on these 4 bolts. Same thing, crack them off with this. It doesn't look like it's been changed. I don't know. Anyways. 18mm for the back of the hub assembly as well. There's 4 of them on each side. Probably gonna have to straighten out the wheels. But I'll take these 2 bolts out with the ratchet, just because I know it'll be easy right now. And we gotta straighten out the wheel. See, on this side, there's 2 more bolts holding the hub assembly on. So we'll just take care of that right now. Can't see shit because the garage doors looks like it's blown out the. But I show you it right here. is what you have to take off, and you're done. We'll get the drill out. Pop those two off. So this next part is a part that I always hated. It's this little, like, kind of protective seal thing that's holding on. I believe, if I remember correctly, it's a 9/16. There it comes. But I mean, the thing, you eventually dent the shit out of it. The bolt drill, and it is strong enough to pull it off. So, one more thing we have to do, follow the ABS wire up. It's held on by a bunch of clamps right here, and of course it's plugged in, and it's positioned, oh, it's right here. You can see there's a plug, I believe it's one of these guys here. A little clamp. Probably need a screw. Oh, and there's a spider that lives in here too. So you just press down on the right side with your finger a little bit, and you can get it off. I'm not sure if you can see that, but you just follow the wire up, and it's right into here. Once you get that off here, follow the wire up. Now, these clamps, these plastic ones that hold it on, I mean, if you can get them off, it's right here. So we'll grab that off right now. Yeah, 8mm. And that's off there. Now, just start swinging at it, and it should just come right off. Nice and easy. There it goes. That actually came off a lot easier than I thought it would. Side. See in here, it's all greased up still. Looks good. So I guess the only thing in installing one of these guys is make sure this, where the sensor is for the ABS, is pointed straight up and down. There's no other way, because you gotta fit it onto the gear. Well, that gear there, it's 4x4. So and just like that, it goes back on. Grab our 18mm socket. Oops. Now, when you do this, I don't think it's a imperative that you do it, but you go like opposite corners type deal, so bottom, left, top, right type deal. Go back and forth. That way it goes on nice and straight. And then maybe the bottom right. Can't get to it. Just do it by hand. Top one. Just makes it a little quicker. Swap out Now, when I used to start working on cars, I used to crank stuff on extremely tight. You realize you don't really have to do that. So up and out. So, I don't know how much effort that was, but that's all effort. You really need to put those back on. And again, here's what I was talking about, what I ripped out of here, so I'll have to take a screwdriver and pick those out of there. That's what I'm talking about, these little things here at the end of the screwdriver. So, the new one comes with them on. Try my best to get them out. Got the skin in my knuckles. There's one. How'd the other one go? Must have been pulled out. New one comes with a clip already on here for the ABS, so underneath this. Again, if I would have put a little effort into it, I could have put that up with like coat hanger or something. Get creative yourself. Your one clip here, kind of already preset for where the clips go back on. That one plugs in underneath. Pull it back up. You can see a little hole that it plugs in. This slides back on like so. Once that's on, grab this 1/2 inch bolt right here. There's, I don't know, I doubt it'll go back on very nicely. Oh, it looks like it will. There. And it's snug on there with a big dent. Whatever. Put that guy on. It's not about new parts, just look friggin' sexy. That is a sexy looking job. That's weird. Anyways, now I just replaced the brake shoes last week on this. Yeah, as you can tell, this lighting shit. Anyways, tons of meat. I'm hoping I don't have to decompress the brake cylinders, or whatever they're called, to get this on this new rotor. Let's find out. Oh, we're good. We're good. Shit doesn't normally work out like that.
There you go. You line the caliper up. Put your 18 mil bolts back on. Once we get them started. Where'd it go? That's a shocker, I lost the 18 mil socket. There it is. One. And two. I'll snug them up. And there we go. When I put the wheel on, it should there we go. Put that on properly. And that is how you change the wheel hub assembly and brake rotor. And if I had to do pads on a 2007 Lincoln Navigator Expedition are the same ones, or same thing I should say. And anyways, thanks for watching.